Welcome back to McPhee Ford. Today we're taking a look at this brand new 2026 Ford F-250. This truck here is the Lariat model, finished in Marsh gray. Of course, it's powered by the 6.7-liter powerstroke diesel engine, and we're going to take you on a full tour of this brand new Super Duty. We'll start here with the front end. Now, this Lariat model is going to have a bit of chrome here. So you get the chrome front grille with that chrome bumper, and of course, these really nice looking LED headlights, which do come standard with the Lariat trim. Now, a pretty special option that this truck has is the Tremor package. It's a Tremor off-road package, which is really going to take your standard Super Duty and level it up, give you some nice, aggressive all-terrain tires, increase ground clearance, and some really cool software features that can really make this a very off-road capable truck here. So your tires are your main thing. You got a 35-inch tall Goodyear Wrangler Duratrack tire. It's a nice aggressive all-terrain mounted to an exclusive 18-inch wheel only found with the Tremor package. It looks really sharp there. And again, these actually sit a little bit higher than a standard Super Duty, so you do get additional ground clearance. Got the F-250 badging on the side there, black mirror caps with the marker lights and the spotlights on the side there. This is a Super Crew model, so it is the full four-door with the 6 3/4 foot box. Now, the couple of cool things here that we did with the running boards. Now, the running boards are going to be a little different on the Tremor compared to a non-Tremor Super Duty. It's got almost like a bed liner finish there, so it's going to be very anti-slip, great for the winter time. But what we actually did here is we installed these different brackets, which will actually lower the running board about 3 inches than a standard Tremor running board. So they would typically sit up much higher, almost flush with the door there, but we actually lowered them down about 3 inches just to make it a little easier to get inside. And another thing we actually did is swap them. So the right running board is actually on the left side because now the Ford logo is up front. Kind of gives it a more sleek look. My opinion, looks really cool there. And then you have your bedside step, very nicely integrated in the side of the box. Tremor branding in the back there. Again, this is Marsh gray, which I think looks incredible here on the Super Duty. And then come right to the back here, chrome rear bumper with the parking sensors, Class 5 receiver hitch. If we go ahead and lower down the tailgate, it is going to be soft opening, so it's not going to slam down on you there. We have a factory Ford spray-in bed liner, so it is fully protected. Box lighting, lots of different tie-down points. Now let's go ahead and we'll take a look into the interior of the F-250 Lariat. Now you're going to find the black leather seats here, really sharp looking material, very nice. They're heated, cooled, along with being fully power, so they're very comfortable. You know, Ford knows you're going to spend a lot of time in this truck, so they really do prioritize the comfort of these seats. And on the door panel here, lots of storage. Again, soft touch leather. You have a 14-speaker B&O sound system. That's going to come with this Lariat model. Now let's go ahead and hop inside here. We'll fire it up. Again, equipped with the 6.7-liter powerstroke diesel engine, producing 475 horsepower and a whopping 1,050 foot-pounds of torque. So this is an incredibly powerful diesel engine. It's mated to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Of course, four-wheel drive is standard here. You're going to get a locking rear differential. A lot of these cool off-road features are going to come standard with the Tremor package to really excel this truck off-road. Even though it is a big vehicle, Ford really does a great job with giving you these cool features to help you off-road. In the middle here, you get your 12-inch screen. Does include wireless Apple CarPlay as well as Android Auto, so a lot of great connectivity options there. You also have a dual zone automatic climate control. Got your heated and cooled seats, heated steering wheel, nice physical buttons. It's a pretty straightforward setup there. Down below, you're going to have the wireless charging pad for your phone, inverter plug, 12-volt power, all the different charging options there. Lots of space in the middle. There's your console right there. The steering wheel is heated and leather wrapped, so very comfortable, along with having a fully digital gauge cluster. Taking a quick look into the rear seat of this truck. Again, the running boards were lowered about 3 inches compared to the standard truck, so it's much easier to get into the back here. And again, having them actually swapped, the driver and passenger side swapped, does give you a nice squared off finish here to the rear, which I think looks really nice. And again, with these rear seats, they are fully leather. They're heated, very nice. I mean, there's tons of space back here, being the Super Crew cab. So much room, and you can actually lift the seats up, which which just opens it up even more. So this is a really, really nice, comfortable space. And on the back of the console, along with the heated seat buttons, you also have additional power outlets so you can keep all of your devices charged up. So that is the 2026 Ford F-250 Lariat. If you're interested in this truck, it is available for sale here at McPhee Ford. You can either give us a call or you can visit our website, mcpheeford.com. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.